Capricorn, hi! Welcome to Mystic Queen PH. And pasensya na kayo sa boses ko dahil meron akong sore throat. So, I just want to give you a reading kasi matagal na yung last time na may reading kayo. So, we will see what's coming to you in the next 2 weeks from the time na mapanood nyo yung reading na to. Okay? And if you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Paki-check nyo na lang information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. And please subscribe to our channel to show your support, like, share this video, at comment na rin kayo kung kayo ay naka-resonate. And thank you sa mga hindi nag-skip ng ads, okay? So, this is a timeless reading, okay? Let's begin, Capricorn. What's coming to you in the next 2 weeks? Not for you, Capricorn. Maaring meron kayong realization of things that are not for you. No? Parang na-realize mo na, hindi para sa akin to. It's no longer working for you. This can be your business, your career, yung pinagkakaabalahan mo ngayon, your relationship. No? So, you might experience na even if you're doing what you think is dapat mong gawin, hindi pa rin nagwo-work, then maybe it's not for you. Observer. So some of you are very curious. Maaring meron kang certain goal ngayon na gusto mong subukan, gusto mong i-pursue. And iniisip mo kung kaya mo ba, kung achievable ba siya, kung practical ba siya. Some of you meron kayong ini-stalk. May ini-stalk kayong tao. Parang maybe you want this person, gusto mong makilala tong taong to, or gusto mong malaman kung ano nangyayari sa buhay niya. Or maybe it's the other way around. Merong person na nang-stalk sa'yo. A message in a bottle. So, maaring meron kayo importanteng mensahe na marireceive in the next 2 weeks. Maybe related sa mga in-applyan mo, related din sa kausap mo, lalo na sa sa ibang bansa. Pwedeng business partner mo sa ibang bansa or romantic partner mo sa ibang bansa. I feel like someone is going to open up sa'yo. Ito yung mga hindi nasabi na mga emotions, feelings. Or maaring ikaw to, mag-open up ka sa isang tao na hindi mo masabi sa kanya yung totoo mong nararamdaman. Okay, let's see your overall energy. You have the 9 of Pentacles. So, as an overall energy, maganda ang kaperahan for you, Capricorn, in the next 2 weeks. This is stability in your finances, financial independence. Kayang-kaya mo na supportahan yung sarili mo, supportahan rin yung ibang tao. Like yung mga responsibilities mo. Some of you are going to be successful sa negosyo. If you are starting a business, in the next 2 weeks, makikita mo na yung resulta niyan. Or sa bago mong endeavor. Your challenge is the 7 of Wands. I think, maraming meron kang mga gustong gawin or pursue. Kaya lang, naiirita ka sa mga blockages. Alam mo yung tipong, may project ka, tapos, gusto mong gawin yon, and then may mga outside influence na wala kang magawa kasi hindi mo to kontrolado. So, I feel like hinahamon ka ng universe kung gaano mo talaga kagusto yun. So, ibig sabihin lang kung hindi ka ganun ka persistent na mabilis ka mag-give up, it only means na hindi talaga para sa'yo yun kasi ikaw na mismo yung nagpo-possess ng energy na hindi ka ganun ka-interested . But if you really like something, or even someone, gagawa ka talaga ng effort. Yung tipong, kahit from Manila ka, tapos taga Baguio yung jowa mo, or yung taong nagugustuhan mo, babiyahe ka, no? Para makita lang siya. Ang sweet, diba? Or, some sacrifices that you need to do, na kung talagang naniniwala ka sa negosyo mo, kahit mahirap yung pagsusource out ng materials, gagawin mo yun with joy, no? Masaya ka pa. And yun yung gustong makita sa'yo ngayon ng universe ni God, na yung determination mo. Kasi pag nakita niya yan, you are determined, ibig sabihin, it's a confirmation na gusto mo talaga yung ginagawa mo. And then your opportunity, the Three of Swords. What is the Three of Swords? Ace of Wands. Okay. As an opportunity, kaya mong make things turn around. Parang ganon. Tama ba? Parang babalik ta rin mo yung isang sitwasyon na painful sa'yo, mahirap para sa'yo, challenging sa'yo, into strength. Yung weakness mo, or yung failure mo, you have the opportunity to turn it to an opportunity na parang you have the opportunity to turn it into an opportunity. Oh my God. Oh, excuse me. Meron kang kakayanan na magkaroon ng lakas ng loob kahit na nahirapan ka, kahit na na-challenge ka, kahit na-disappoint ka. And for some of you, as an opportunity, kung kayo ay nagkaroon ng breakup, failure sa relationship, ang bilis nyong makaka-move on. With the Ace of Wands. Kahit anong challenge to, no? Like disappointment or issue with someone, mabilis ka makaka-move on. Actually, ganun naman yung mga Capricorn eh. Magtitiis hanggat kaya nila. Pero pag napuno na, wala nang balikan. Talagang, you're going to walk away from it. Your blessing is the Ace of Swords. So, meron ka magandang idea, Capricorn. It can be a creative idea na magiging blessing sa'yo. So, if you're resonating with this, meron ka mga plano for your career, for your business, then do it. This is also solutions to your problems. So, kung meron ka ngayong kinaharap na problema, ang blessing sa'yo is you will find a way to make things work for you. Okay, some of you are going to have a decision making pagdating sa bahay. Yung iba sa inyo, it's either aalis ba kayo sa bahay na yan, lilipat ba kayo, bibili ka ba ng bahay, may ipapa-renovate ka ba sa bahay mo. And medyo mahirap yung decision na to kasi maraming nakikialam. So, pwedeng nakikialam parents mo, nakikialam ibang family members mo. So, at the end of the day, ikaw yung magde-decide. Kung saan ka mas mapapabuti. Yung iba sa inyo, baka magpaparead kayo ng tarot. Or you will tap into your spirituality or yung inyong spiritual belief system. Sa money, career, finances, be careful sa pagdesisyon nyo sa pera, no? Yung spending habits ninyo, kung saan nyo dadalhin yung pera nyo, be careful. Kasi pwedeng kayo ay nagsasayang lang ng pera. Okay? Yung mga purchases or yung mga investments. Change is coming for a brand new you. Embrace the transformation. So, Sa trabaho, pwedeng may bagong work, merong bagong career. You can also be transforming yourself into a business owner, from an employee to business owner. Sa love life, meron kang patatawarin dahil mahal mo talaga. Kaya lang, pay attention rin sa intention ng taong to. Kasi pwedeng, lalo na kung maraming beses niya nang ginawa yung same na pagkakamali. Excuse me. Okay. Expectations, don't seek anyone's approval. Minsan kasi nagiging people pleaser, no? So, iwasan yung pagiging people pleaser. Mas maganda na authentic ka, gusto mo yung ginagawa mo, nag-enjoy ka, you don't need to please everyone. Okay? So, that is your reading, Capricorn. Thank you so much. See you again.